new Vento guidelines have been released. What are the Vento guidelines, I hear you ask? Well, in employment discrimination cases, in addition to compensation for loss of earnings, successful claimants are generally entitled to an award for injury to feelings. So if you've not been awarded a pay rise because of your disability, as well as getting a sum equivalent to the pay rise, you're entitled to be compensated for hurt feelings. How do you quantify hurt feelings? How much money compensates you for example, being selected for redundancy because you're a mother returning from maternity leave? Until the case of Vento, it was all a bit make it up as you go along. The name Vento comes from the case of Vento versus the Chief Constable of West Yorkshire Police in 2002, when the question of compensation in discrimination cases was categorized for the first time. The court said there should be 3 bands of compensation for injury to feelings. Now, those levels of compensation have just been increased. So on or after the 6th of April 2024, the Vento bands are now a lower band of £1,200 to £11,700 for less serious cases, a middle band of 11,700 to 35,200, very specific. And these are cases that don't merit an award in the upper band, and an upper band of 35,200 to 58,700, with the most exceptional cases capable of exceeding that. Now, there are reports from cases over the years which categorize various types of conduct and which band they might fall under. So it is possible to predict what band certain conduct will be worth. The main point to note is that in addition to compensation for quantifiable loss, a tribunal can award almost £60,000 for hurt feelings. It's a lot of money to add on to any compensation. It makes discrimination cases potentially quite expensive.